Eddy, the swirling motion in nature and language. Imagine standing by a river, watching leaves swirl in a circular motion, trapped in a small whirlpool. This mesmerizing phenomenon is precisely what we're exploring today. The word eddy. Word type, eddy can function as both a noun and a verb. As a noun, it refers to a circular movement of water, air, or smoke. As a verb, it means to move in a circular way, meaning an eddy is a circular movement in a liquid or gas, often forming a small whirlpool. In a broader sense, it can describe any circular motion or a deviation from a main current or trend. Word history. The term eddy has its roots in Old English, deriving from ed meaning backward and ia meaning water or stream. It's been part of the English language since the 15th century, originally referring specifically to water currents moving against the main flow. Antonyms. While eddy doesn't have direct antonyms, some contrasting concepts include straight flow, laminar flow, or mainstream. Synonyms. Some synonyms for eddy include whirlpool, vortex, swirl, whirl, and maelstrom. Examples used in sentences. The fallen leaves were caught in an eddy, spinning gently near the riverbank. Scientists studied the eddies in the atmosphere to better understand weather patterns. Her thoughts seemed to eddy around the same concerns, never quite resolving. The small fishing boat struggled against the powerful ocean eddies. Common errors in use. One common mistake is confusing eddy with eddy current, which is a specific type of electric current induced by a changing magnetic field. Another error is using eddy too broadly for any circular motion when it specifically refers to circular motion within a fluid or gas. To truly master this word for IELTS success, remember its dual nature as both noun and verb, its specific application to fluids and gases, and its metaphorical use in describing circular patterns or deviations from a main trend. By understanding eddies, you're not just learning a word, but gaining insight into fluid dynamics, atmospheric science, and even the nature of thoughts and ideas. This depth of comprehension and ability to use the word in varied contexts is exactly what will set you apart in achieving that coveted band score of 9.0.